So on Fusion 360 I'm going to insert a mesh file, and I'm going to center it and move it to the ground. Then we're going to go to mesh. We're going to reduce the mesh face count. One is that I want to make a channel through the mountain. So at the moment I'm going to offset the plane and increase it above the peaks. Just about that. And then we're going to go on the sketch. And then this is the path that I want. So I'm going to use the spline tool to trace along the valleys. So using the spline tool, I'm just going to trace through the valleys. And once we're done, we are going to use the offset tool and then extend it symmetrically. So I'm doing it by 0.9, so it'll be 1.8 in total, 1.8 millimeters, and that's enough to feed a filament through, because I want a filament passing through the channel. And then we're going to just tie off the ends as well with the line tool. And I'm just going to tie it off in the middle over here, just because that's where I want the filament to start. And finish sketch. And now what we want to do is we want to convert the actual file into a solid body. So we're going to convert mesh. What we need to do is we need to make a copy of this mountain body, this mountain terrain. So we're going to hit the move copy tool. We're not going to move it, we're just going to create a copy in the checkbox there and click OK. So now we've got two files. We're going to unselect the view for one, and we're going to extrude the path now into the first one all the way through, and on the operation is going to be an intersect. So that's our intersection path, and hit OK. So we're going to unselect the main bodies just so we can see the path, and we're going to create a duplicate of the path now. Just as before, we're going to create a copy. And that's the path which we eventually want to sort of carve out, but only a few millimeters from the top. So we want to make a channel through the mountains. So I'm just going to lower this file by 1.7 millimeters, and it's the top section that we want to eventually remove only. Hit OK, and then we're going to go to the combine function, and we're going to select both our channels, the original one and the one we moved. And we're going to click the cut function. And now we're going to go to combine. We're going to choose our target body and then our tool body. The target body being the mountain and the tool body being that channel that we carved out. And on the cut operation, you can see it's going to remove that section, following all the curves sideways as well as vertically, the path of the mountain. And there we have a channel carved through the mountain, which if you wanted to put some filament, this is a 3D printed model, and you can now place the filament inside it. It follows all the curves vertically and sideways. There are probably other ways of doing it. I could follow the curve using other tools, but I wasn't able to follow the peaks only because there were lots of different faces and then lots of different planes. And if we check, so if we get 2 points together on the using the inspect measure tool, you can see it's 1.7 millimeters across various points.